Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to everyone. My name is Wa Muhammad Abqari bin Wa Abdul Razak. My supervisor is Professor Madya IRTS Dr. Salahuddin Shoaib. Today I will be presenting my final year project proposal entitled Design of High Fashion Knee Prosthesis Using Trees. Let's start with introduction. The knee is the largest joint in the human body, allowing for everyday movement. As we get older, arthritis is the most prevalent disease happen that cause knee joint dysfunction. Arthritis is an inflammation of the joint that can result in extreme pain, swelling, stiffness, and limited movement. It is a disease that affects millions of people worldwide, where it remains the most common indication for total knee replacement. Total knee replacement is a surgical operation in which the knee joint is replaced with an artificial implant to restore damaged knee function. The procedures have been evolving in the last 50 years to guarantee an improvement of implants life and excellent functionality for the patients. The number of primary knee arthroplasties performed annually increased exponentially over the last half of the 20th century and increased between 16% and 44% during the first 5 years of the 21st century. Most knee systems available in the market have been designed to accommodate a maximum flexion of 130 degrees. It poses no problem as almost all normal activities can be done comfortably. However, for Muslim and most Asian population usually require the flexion of the knee to be high as it was part of the daily routine such as squatting, kneeling and sitting cross-legged. It becomes a drawback for the patient that require or want to have the knee replacement surgery. TRIS, which is Theory of Inventive Problem Solving, is a problem-solving, analysis and forecasting tool. TRIS, as a systematic methodology, can be used to generate alternatives in the new product development process. TRIS includes analytical tools that are necessary for problem solving, which is a knowledge-based tool that are necessary for system transformation and their theoretical foundations. TRIS is an excellent tool for the design engineers to handle conflicting conditions during the innovation design problem-solving process. The purpose of this study is to apply theory of inventive problem-solving TRIS on the existing design of the total knee prosthesis, making a new design of high flexion total knee prosthesis with high flexion up to 165 degrees using solutions from TRIS. Next, I will talk about literature review. In this paper, there is 5 topics for literature review, which is anatomy of knee, total knee arthroplasty, its material properties, range of motion, and theory of inventive problem-solving TRIS. Anatomy of the knee. The knee is one of the body's largest and most complicated joints. The place where 2 or more bones touch are known as joints. The bone can move since most joints are movable. Basically, the knee is 2 long leg bones held together by muscles, ligaments, and tendons. Each bone end is covered with layer of cartilage that absorbs shock and protects the knee. This cartilage is also the place where it deteriorates when getting arthritis. Total knee arthroplasty. Total knee arthroplasty, also called total knee prosthesis, is a surgical operation that involves replacing the damaged knee joints with artificial ones. TKA typically consists of femoral components having a pair of condylar surfaces, a tibial component having a tibial platform fixed to the resected tibia, and a bearing component, usually a low friction plastic material, interposed between the condylar surface and the tibial platform. Bearing component generally has concave dish surface for receiving the convex condylar surface of the femoral component. The complicated relationship between the geometry of the prosthesis design and passive soft tissue component surrounding the articulation influence the success of the total knee prosthesis. This interaction in turn determines the stability, range of motion, and interface stress they develop within the prosthesis. Next is material properties. Component of all knee replacement, partial or total, composed of variety of materials. Titanium, cobalt, chromium alloys, or a titanium and cobalt mixed metal is used for the femoral component and tibial component. Plastic components use extra high molecular weight polyethylene. The chosen material used in total knee prosthesis must be durable, allow for some flexibility with movement, and be biocompatible, which means it will not be rejected, corrode, or react with the body. Range of motion. Range of motion of the knee is the normal movement of knee joint. It measured in degrees from knee center where a straight knee joint position is at 0 degree. Normal knee range of motion usually refer to how much the knee bends and straightens. It involves flexion, extension, abduction, and rotation of the knee. The majority of knee systems in the market are designed to enable a maximum flexion up to 130 degrees. Getting a higher degree in flexion has become one of the biggest drawbacks in typical total knee prosthesis. Within the range, almost all normal activities are possible for most of the patients, such as walking, comfortably sitting and standing, picking up items on the floor, and climbing stairs. However, it becomes a limitation in doing activities beyond that range of motion. It has become a concern, especially for Muslim and Asian populations. Activities such as squatting, sitting, cross-legged, and kneeling are considered vital part of daily routines activities. Last one is Theory of Inventive Problem Solving, TRIS. Theory of Inventive Problem Solving, TRIS, is a problem-solving analysis and forecasting tool based on research on almost 400,000 patents of invention patents in the global patent literature, which was developed by Soviet engineer, inventor, and writer Gareth Esler with his colleagues in 1946. The theory developed on a foundation of extensive research covering hundreds of thousands of inventions across many different fields to produce a theory which defines generalizable patterns in the nature of inventive solution and distinguishing characteristics of the problem that these inventions have overcome. This theory comes from the idea that every engineer or people in general can become an inventor and solve very difficult technical problems by proposing innovative solutions in a systematic way. The figure shows the typical problem-solving model based on trees. Trees usually comprise of few stages. The first one being the problem definition. At this stage, the identified problem is translated into the language of trees to provide insightful information for further problem solving. Then the problem is structured into a typical tree contradiction by conducting contradiction analysis, one of the most effective problem resolution tools, which then the generated ideas are evaluated by using the unit tree criteria, which is the ideal final result. The final output is a list of possible innovative conceptual solutions in making the new design. One of the most accessible and useful tree problem-solving methods is the 40 creative principles and contradiction matrix table. The tree theory contradiction tables usually contains 39 design parameters as well as 40 inventive principles for solving the contradictions, which is done by contradicting the feature to be improved with features that are getting worse, which then will show the solutions from the 40 inventive principles. The principle will be utilized to generate the new concept for the new design. For the problem statement, typical total knee replacement system in the market was designed to flex to a maximum of 130 degrees. It has become a problem for Muslim and Asian population, which would hesitating in doing the surgery because the limitation in knee flexions. Squatting, kneeling, and sitting cross-legged are considered very important as part of daily routine activities for Muslim and Asian population, which the flexion can go up to 165 degrees. Twist is used to be countering the problems of low flexion in common total replacement, together with any conflicting problems that occurs in changing and improving the existing design. The objective of this project is to apply theory of inventive problem-solving trees on existing total processes, to create a new design of hard flexion total processes based on the solutions from trees, and to analyze the design using finite element analysis to verify the new concept of hard flexion total processes. The scope of this project is to create a new design of hard flexion total processes using theory of inventive problem-solving trees. The aim is to use the methods from trees and apply to the existing design of total processes. The solution from trees will be used, which come from contradicting the future to be improved with a future that will become worse. Using the contradicting matrix table, the corresponding inventive principle from a total of 40 inventive principles will be generated, which will be utilized in generating a new concept design. The new concept will be designed using SolidWorks computer-aided design software. The design will be analyzed using finite element analysis with ANSYS software. Next is methodology. The conceptual framework in this study consists of 6 main steps, which follows problem-solving model based on trees. The initial process before proceeding is making a list of identified problems from existing design of total processes. This problem then defined using the trees language to gather information for solving the problem. The problems will be structured into trees contradiction and the formulated contradiction will be eliminated using trees tool of contradiction matrix with its solution principles. The solution will then be evaluated if there is no solution after the contradiction elimination, or there is new problem after problem evaluation. The process must return to the redefining the problems. Then the new design will be created and analyzed. I will explain a bit for each of these steps. The first one is preliminary problem analysis. This step is to find and gather the problems of existing design of total replacement. The purpose is to identify space for improvement, countering the problems in making new design for hard flexion total replacement. Then the problem found to be solved will be interpreted into contradiction of trees theory, which consists of 39 design parameters. The problem to be solved will be contradicted by what characteristics to be improved with what the characteristic that will be getting worse. Contradiction elimination. The 40 inventive principle and contradiction matrix table will then be used for the problems comparing the characteristic to improve with what will getting worse where solution is to be found. The contradiction table of trees theory consists of 39 design parameters, where the solution in solving the contradiction will be suggested, which consists of 40 generic principles. The solution for the respective contradiction will correspond to each up to 4 principles, but there is some of the contradiction with no solution principle, which means the contradiction is not valid. If this happens, needs to go back to redefining the problem. After the principles chosen from the contradiction will then be used to come up with a new concept for the design. Solution from the principles will be applied to existing design, where improvement will be done for a new concept of hard flexion total processes. Then a new design will be created using computer-aided design software applying the knowledge for a new concept of hard fraction tautenay replacement. In this study, SolidWorks will be used to create the new design. The last step is finite element analysis. Finite element analysis will be done on the new design using ANSYS software. It is to find out the von Mises stresses for varying weight at various angles of fractions, which from 0 degrees up to the expected maximum of 165 degrees. The stress distribution obtained from the analysis will show the region where there is any height stresses, which the design able to be adjusted for further improvement to reduce the stress. It will then be compared with thesis from fellow students. For the expected results, at the end of the project, a new design of hard fraction tautenay prosthesis with angle of knee fraction of 165 degrees should be able to be designed. The project is expected to be successfully applying methods from theory of inventive problem-solving trees on existing design of knee prosthesis and come up with a new concept design of hard fraction tautenay prosthesis. Finite element analysis using ANSYS will be applied on the design to find von Mises stresses at various angles, and the new design using trees methods should be able to reach 165 degrees of knee flexions without problems. That's all for me. Thank you.